how to fix TikTok story option not showing. So if you want to fix your TikTok story option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. And from the Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for TikTok. After searching for your TikTok, if you have any updates on your TikTok, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. You can just go and open up your TikTok, and that's it. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just search for TikTok application, tap and hold on to your application, and then go with the app info section. Once you tap on the app info, you'll get this kind of interface. Tap on storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, you can go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your TikTok. After opening, go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From the profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you need to scroll all the way down and then go with the option of report a problem. Go with help center and report the problem to TikTok, or just simply chat with TikTok support, and it will help you fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.